Hey there, future money masters. Have you ever wished you could make your own money without waiting for your birthday or doing a million chores? It might sound like a secret only grown-ups know, but guess what? It's like planting money seeds by doing what you love. Let's meet our friend, Artie the Armadillo. Artie loves drawing cool cartoon characters. Have you ever taught a friend how to tie their shoes or explained a game rule to them? Well, you can do that online too, and guess what? You can get paid for it. Meet Professor Al. Professor Al loves to explain difficult things in a simple way. He found out that many people online are looking for quick, easy explanations for things they don't understand. He started making short, simple videos explaining how to do things, like how to solve a Rubik's Cube or how to make a paper airplane fly really far. People watch his videos, and some platforms allow creators to earn money based on how many people watch and like their content. Or you could write short guides or articles about a topic you know well. Are you an expert on a certain animal? Could you write a top 5 tips for becoming a Minecraft master? This method is all about teaching and sharing. The more helpful you are, the more people will be interested in what you have to say. It's a wonderful way to understand how to make money online by helping others learn. It's like planting a knowledge tree that grows money fruit. He used to just draw for fun, but then he learned he could make money by drawing for others. Just like in the real world, you need to be careful. Rule number 1, always have a grown-up help you. Never give out your personal information like your home address or full name to anyone online without your parents knowing. And never ever meet anyone in person you met online without a trusted adult. Rule number 2, if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. If someone promises you $1 million for doing almost nothing, that's a big red flag. Making money takes effort and time. It's like building a sandcastle. You have to put in the work, brick by sand brick. Rule number 3, never pay money to make money. Real online money-making opportunities don't ask you for money upfront to start working. If they do, run the other way. Remember, the goal is to safely learn how to make money online and build your money skills. Be smart, be safe, and always involve your grown-ups. This is a crucial step on your wealth ladder. How did he do it? He started by offering to draw custom avatars for online games or cute profile pictures for his friends' family members. He used a safe online platform where grown-ups help connect people who need drawings with people who love to draw. So, what are you good at? Do you love playing video games and could teach someone new tricks? Are you awesome at building things in Minecraft and could build custom worlds for others? Do you tell really funny stories? The trick is to think about what you enjoy and what skills you have, even small ones. You can find places online where people are looking for exactly what you can offer. It's all about finding a need and filling it. This is one simple way how to make money online. You absolutely can. Lots of people feel stuck, thinking making money is hard or only for super smart adults. But that's just not true today. We're going on an amazing adventure to discover the simple secrets of how to make money online. By the end of this video, you'll have some awesome ideas to start your very own online money journey. Ready to spark your curiosity and unlock your money superpowers? Let's dive into the fantastic world of making money right from your computer, tablet, or phone. First up, did you know your favorite hobbies and things you're good at can actually make you money? Our next secret to making money online is all about helping other people with things they need. Think of it like being a helpful superhero, but instead of flying, you're using your keyboard. Let's meet Fiona the Fox. Fiona is super organized and good at spelling. She found out that some grown-ups need help with simple tasks online, like typing up notes or finding information on the internet. These are called microtasks, little jobs that don't take very long. Think of it like this: if someone has a huge puzzle and they just need help finding all the blue pieces, that's a microtask. Websites exist where you can sign up with a grown-up's help, of course, and find these small jobs. You might be asked to identify objects in pictures, categorize information, or even answer simple questions. Each little job earns you a little bit of money, and it adds up. This is a fantastic way to understand how to make money online because it teaches you that your time and attention can be valuable to others. It's like collecting tiny digital gold nuggets. Now, let's talk about something even cooler, sharing what you know. Before we go any further, it's super important to talk about being safe and smart while making money online. Let's see our characters in action, making money the smart way. Scenario 1, Leo the Lion video game reviewer. Leo loved playing video games, but he often wondered which ones were actually fun. He started making short videos reviewing new games, telling kids what he liked and didn't like. She realized that younger kids often loved listening to stories before bedtime. With her mom's help, she started recording herself reading stories she wrote, adding silly voices for the characters. Parents paid a small amount for access to her bedtime story library, making Daisy a mini entrepreneur. His honest opinions helped other kids pick the best games, and soon, his videos were getting lots of views and earning a little money from ads. Scenario 2, Daisy the Deer online storyteller. Daisy loved making up stories. See? These are real, simple ways to understand how to make money online using your talents and a little creativity. It's all about finding a simple problem and offering a simple solution. Wow, what an adventure! We've now learned that making money online isn't just a grown-up secret. It is something you can start exploring right now with the right guidance. Remember these key ideas. Turn your passions into profits. What do you love to do? You don't need magic wands or secret spells, just a little bit of curiosity and the courage to start. You have the power to start building your own money future, one step at a time. It's like having financial superpowers right at your fingertips. Help others with small online tasks. Your time is valuable. It helps us know we're giving you the best advice. And if you want to become a true money master and not miss out on more easy-to-understand money secrets, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. That way, you'll be the first to know when we release new adventures. We'd love to hear from you. What's one thing you're excited to try to make money online? Tell us in the comments below. Do you have a friend who could use some financial superpowers too? Share this video with them. Let's help everyone become smart with their money. Thanks for watching, future millionaires. Keep learning, keep growing, and keep making smart money moves. See you in the next video. You're smarter than you think. Share your knowledge and teach others. The core message is clear. You can make money online by using your skills, helping others, and being smart and safe. If you found these tips helpful and are excited to start your own online money adventure, please give this video a big thumbs up.